Hi everyone, welcome to Vasol Tarot Prediction. I hope you like this reading. I hope this resonates with you. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers. Okay, this is the reading for the month of May 2020. This is the reading for the zodiac sign Pisces. Okay, so yes, let's start. What's going on with Pisces? Okay, one more important thing, guys. I just want to tell you that if you want to help us with the donation link is given in the description box below. Via PayPal and Google Pay you can donate. Even if you are donating 1 rupee, we are grateful to that. The second most important thing is that if you want to support our channel with the help of online tarot learning workshop, the people who wants to join our 10 days online tarot learning workshop, they can check out the details in the description box below and you can enroll. The third most important thing is that if you want to book on one-on-one personal reading with me related to career, relationship, situationship, the details are given in the description box below. The fourth most important thing, guys, is that if you want to be a part of Vasol giveaway, hashtag Vasol giveaway, you have to like my channel, you have to subscribe to my YouTube channel Vasol Tarot Prediction, and you have to comment down below of my videos hashtag Vasol giveaway. Okay, and you have to send me a screenshot on the Gmail ID which I have given in the description box below. And last but not the least, I'm doing live sessions, okay, on Facebook daily from Monday to Sunday, so you can join me between 2 p.m. to 3 p.m. Indian Standard Time. Okay, yes guys, so what's coming up for you guys? The past, the present and the future. Okay, Pisces, watery fish. Let me check it out. Your past, your present and your future. Okay, so there's in the past King of Swords, in the present it's Nine of Wands. Okay, I hope I'm visible to you guys. Okay, yeah, and in the future is Three of Cups. Okay, so so in the past there's a cup of love. Okay, you're sad and depressed about a cup of love, a relationship, a commitment. You're upset about it because you are confused, sad, depressed and worried about a relationship in the past. Okay, yes, let me clarify it further. Yeah, you being indecisive, either you walked away from someone or they walked away from you, so someone was indecisive here, okay, while taking a decision. Okay, so yeah, some sort an offer of commitment, indecisive about a commitment or a relationship, indecisive about to move forward or to stay here. Okay, so some sort of indecisive was there in the past. Okay, yes, in the present situation. I don't know why this life is so bad. Since there is no electricity today, so that's why I'm doing this kind of reading like this. Okay, so yeah, you have to manage. Kindly comment down below if you like this reading. I hope this resonates with you. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers. Okay, so yeah, in the present situation it's a Nine of Wands. Okay, so you are walling up yourself from someone. Okay, yeah, from giving a cup of love to someone. Okay, but there is some sort of an ending is coming. Wow, some sort of an ending is coming with the World card. That means an ending of a bad situation or cycle when it comes to this relationship. I think you guys were not in a communication. You had a stuck energy, they had a stuck energy, you both were into the same zone, you guys were separated because of something, and I feel some sort of an ending is coming with this commitment relationship. Some sort of ending is coming with this conflict energy. Okay, so yeah, You are regaining your power, you're going through some internal healing, internal transformation, and gaining a lot of clarity. And when it comes to the particular situation, or a particular situation which happened in the past, or which is happening, something around you, okay, so you are gaining a lot of clarity, okay, with the world card. Some sort of movement you are expecting, you want to move somewhere, but some sort of a movement is expecting, okay. So you are waiting for some sort of a news, also waiting for some sort of news, or else you are spying on someone. Some sort of waiting is going on when it comes to messages, email, or any message, any details you get through a social media platform. So some sort of those things are happening. You are regaining your own power currently, okay. So yeah, you are regaining your own power. Yeah, you were waiting a lot about this, you are also waiting about your finances simultaneously. I feel that, you're waiting for this relationship also to work on, and you're also waiting about your finances, okay. uh, yeah, about establishing yourself a stable life you want when it comes to Queen of Pentacles, okay. You are releasing all this stuck energy, you are releasing all this confusion, all this trapped energy which was going on into your head. You were conflicted between your head and heart, okay. So you are releasing all those energy. You want a reconciliation, a reunion, long term commitment with this connection, okay. So some sort of a commitment coming together. And this is not just a normal connection, guys, it's a twin flame or a spiritual divinely guided reunion, okay. This is a connection which we call twin flame or spiritual connection, okay. So some sort of commitment is taking place for you guys, okay. And yeah, some sort of a spiritually, this is divinely guided, okay, not for just you, this is divinely guided, okay. And you are thinking of taking an action towards someone, okay, or something, or with this connection you are thinking to move towards them, okay, and taking an action, and you will be victorious towards it, because you are, taking a cup, or you are taking your offer of you are taking this offer of love towards someone, okay. And you are moving on in a very slow direction, like very slow pace. So I feel you should be a bit of fast, okay. So you are moving towards this connection, but in a very slow pace, okay. You are moving away from all this negativity long term. You are moving away from a separation, okay, and you want to reunite with this, reconcile with this connection, okay. So you are moving away from all the negative energies and moving forward towards your Three of Cups. That is a reconciliation and a reunion, or a union will take place for you guys, okay. So let's check out about Three of Cups, what's going on for you guys, okay. Yeah, in the upcoming weeks, Three of Cups is clarified with Eight of Wands, Page of Pentacles, the Magician, King of Wands. Wow, you are manifesting this. You are manifesting this communication. You are manifesting this offer of love. You are manifesting all these things. You want this reconciliation or reunion, and you are manifesting it, okay. You are releasing all this emotional pain, emotional drama, if you had any with this connection, okay. So I hope that this is like, I don't know why this happens, okay. So yeah, so you are releasing all this emotional pain, emotional drama, emotional heartbreak, if you had any, and you want to some sort of a collaboration with this connection, okay. You are manifesting it, okay. There's a wheel of fortune, there is will turning into your own favor, okay. So coming together, reconciling, reuniting, yes. And under the deck we have Ten of Swords, ending of a bad cycle or a bad situation is taking place, because there is a World card and Devil card and Wheel of Fortune. So that means, and some sort of an ending is definitely taking place, and you are daydreaming about the same, and some sort of an opportunity. Once this cycle ends, okay, I feel an opportunity when it comes to financial things. is also coming onto your way. An opportunity of good financial abundance is coming onto your way, okay? And you will be traveling. Some sort of an traveling is taking place for you guys for the upcoming weeks, okay? Some sort of traveling will definitely there. You will be victorious, traveling towards your 10 of cups, traveling towards your happily ever after with your with this connection with your partner, okay? So you want to end this separation, you want to reunite, reconcile with this connection, and some sort of moment is taking place with the Chariot card, and you are moving towards your 10 of cup happily ever after, okay? So yeah, you are regaining a lot of clarity when it comes to what is that one particular thing which you want for yourself, okay? So yes, this is a long term commitment, guys. So you want a long term commitment for you guys, okay? And yeah, some sort of injustice is taking place for you guys, okay? So yeah, you want, but before that I feel before moving to this 10 of cups, you want an independent single, independent stability when it comes to money related or financial things, okay? Money related things, okay? So some sort of money related happiness you want a stability when it comes to your career, finances, income, okay? So before moving to this 10 of cups, okay? Yeah, so yeah, finally once you are stable, once you feel that you have stability when it comes to money related things, you are stable financially and you can take care of yourself single-handedly, okay? Then you will start moving towards your happily ever after, that is your this connection, reconciling and reuniting with this connection, okay? And getting you either some of you are you got married, this is already a marriage, okay guys? And for others of you, you are thinking about reconciling for a marriage, okay? So some of you is half of you is already into a marriage and separated, and the second half of you is like separated before marriage and thinking to reconcile for a marriage, okay? So yeah, so some sort of coming together, building a home together, you have seen this, two people are coming together, there is a house, okay? There is a house, if you can see. So some sort of coming together with in this house, building up a house, with two people, being patient enough with this connection, okay? Ending of this bad separation situation, whatever it is, ending is happening for you guys, okay? So you guys will be highly intuitive when it comes to this connection, moving towards your happiness, okay? Moving towards your love, okay? So yeah, this is a spiritually guided divine reunion. So yes, you guys are coming together, ending, see, there is a separation between these two people, okay? So ending of this separation is definitely taking place for you guys, okay? So yes, okay? So yeah, and yes, a lot of hidden secrets, hidden truths are coming out, okay? Some sort of truth is definitely coming on, and that's why you are moving towards reconciling this connection. Something happened in the past, you didn't realize it, some truth are coming now, and now you are realizing this connection, okay, is worth taking a risk for, okay? Moving away from deception, dishonesty, lies, healing, hoping, believing into this connection. I think God is guiding you towards this connection, okay? This is a divine guidance going on for you, okay? Spirits is guiding you towards this connection, healing, hoping, believing, okay? So move towards this connection, okay? So there is you are dealing with some sort of fire signs, regaining your own power. Fire signs is you are dealing with either Leo, Sagittarius or Aries. So yeah, shining bright, moving forward towards this connection, new beginning, new opportunity, taking a leap of faith, again new opportunity, going towards your happiness, towards your 10 of cups, towards your wish fulfillment for sure, okay? Going towards your stability when it comes to your finances, money, your emotional life, your personal life, stability, going towards overall stability, which you see, which you didn't got in the past, which you are not getting currently, and that's why you are moving towards your stability, where all your financial for the financial things, materialistic thing, but personal things, all your wishes will get fulfilled for sure. Okay. Wow. Yeah, you're releasing all this confusion, stuck energy, moving forward towards it, moving towards a new beginning, new life, new opportunity, taking a leap of faith. Wow. Moving away from conflicts, disputes, problems. I think you have waited a lot for this time, but you are thinking, contemplating a lot about the situation which happened in the past, which is happening currently, and now you are taking a decision. Some sort of a decision is coming on your way. You have to take some sort of decision in the upcoming weeks. Okay, for sure. So yeah, let's check out what are the universal message for you guys. Okay. Good reading, guys. I liked this reading. Okay, let me check out. Okay, let me check out what is that one particular thing that universe would like to tell you. That universe would like to guide you for. Okay, let me check it out. Okay, universe is guiding you that allow this healing to happen. Okay, there is some internal transformation which is taking place currently inside of you. Okay, so allow this thing, do not resist yourself, okay, with this healing. So this internal transformation, once it is done, a lot of happiness and abundance is coming onto your way. Okay, so allow it to happen, do not resist it. That is what universe is trying to tell you guys. Okay, so Pisces, I hope you like this reading. I hope this resonates with you. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers, and also if you want to help us with the donation, the link is given in the description box below. If you want to book on one-on-one personal reading with me, the details are given in the description box below. If you want to join us our 10 days online tarot learning workshop, the details are given in the description box below. Enroll us at a discounted price currently, because then the charges will be high. And yes, so I hope you like this reading. I hope this resonates with you. If it doesn't, can you check out the other YouTubers? Thank you so much, guys. See you next time. Bye.